Hello YouTube Garage again. Here's my truck. 1989 Chevy pickup. I'll paint it up now. What we got there? Oh, nothing. Okay. Haven't washed it yet since I painted it on Saturday. Finished the painting on Saturday. So I might go ahead and wash it. Those two colors. I'm going to probably, can you see, I think I got zebra stripe in the hood, but I can't see it now. I guess I'm going to have to buff it and see. But I got a light spot right here. I'm going to have to repaint right there, repaint the bumper, get that fixed. And I think I'm going to touch this up a little bit. I scratched it. Touch that up, the blue up. And well, I gotta touch that up too. I think that's about it on the truck. I think I got a light spot there. Guess I got the, yeah, look like a little light spot. Reshoot that. I think that's about it. The tailgate looks really good. I think I got a little lightness right there. Hard to tell, but yeah, the bumper's light for sure. But yep, that's the truck. So take a look at the view and let me know what you think about my paint job. I'm gonna have to color sand and buff it. See, can I pick up the texture I got, because I guess not. Guess you can't pick that up. But yeah, let's pop the hood. Check the jams. I haven't looked at that since I painted it. Let's see how I did the jams on the. Well, I did the jams pretty good. Yeah, good enough for me for my first paint job. Besides painting, I used to paint aircraft parts, so I had a little skill painting. But it was just so hot that day, so I got some serious orange peel going on. But I talked to the guy at the paint trade, so I can just color sand and buff that out. So that's what my next step. I gotta run way there. Well, I guess I talk to y'all later.